Hey guys, it's Brady Anderson over here at Rich Son's RV headquarters in Grand Island, Nebraska. So today we got this 2025 Puma Ultralight 12 FBX. This is a perfect, nice, lightweight, comfortable, compact unit. Um, let me show you around and see some of the features that really stand out to me. So here we got this nice power tongue to make it easy to get on and off your vehicle. And obviously, you're not going to go camping without bringing chairs and stuff, right? So here we got this nice underbelly storage that's actually way bigger than some of the other units of this size. So we talked about the storage outside. Now take a look at all this storage inside. Because obviously you've got to bring your clothes, pans, stuff to cook with, and you've got plenty of room to store in this unit. Additionally, it has a nice radio on it with the outdoor speakers, and also it plays inside so you can jam out. And while you're jamming out, maybe you need to cook some food. You got this nice big dual swing fridge with the nice deep freezer. So those are just some of the features that really stood out to me. So if you're ready to go out camping, or if this unit's for you, give me, Brady Anderson, a call over here at Rich Son's RV headquarters in Grand Island, Nebraska.